Today, let's learn how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do here is to head on over to Instagram, the application, and log on to the application, or rather log on to the account that you wish to use for this instance. Okay, so now how do you actually add highlights in Instagram without posting a story? Well, why do you actually want to do this? Well, because you might be hiding from people. You don't want other people to see your stories and actually see them on your highlights as well. That may be the case, but also you may just be hiding from specific people, and you just want to, or maybe you just want to add some highlights, or rather some pictures on your highlights without being too repetitive, because you have maybe some people have already seen that photo on your stories. Right, so how do you actually do this? It seems impossible, right? But I'm just going to tell you that it's perfectly possible with this tutorials. So watch this video until the end and you'll know how. Alright, so in order to do this, all we need to do is head on over to the stories and actually add a story on Instagram. So click on the blue plus icon over here on the stories icon, and this will take you over here. Now, what you want to do is head on over to the camera app and actually just post a photo on your story. Alright, so let's say I want to post this specific photo in our story. So just click that photo and then head on over to the Close Friends tab, and then what you actually want to do. Okay, what I did over there, if you just missed it, I clicked on this arrow right here so that we may head on to the more settings. And let's click over here on the Close Friends and click on Add People. Now, what this does is it actually just gives us the option to add some more people into our close friends. Now, the Close Friends option is just basically somewhat like a subscription of the people. So that basically once you post stories on your close friends, it's just that the people who view that specific close friend story will only be the people that you choose, or rather you want to view your story. So once you are actually satisfied with the people you chose, let's actually just choose one account, maybe this guy. Alright, so this guy is actually I also own this account. So basically nobody else is actually seeing this story except me. So that's basically the point, right? We don't want any other people seeing our story and seeing them as well in the highlights. So just click on share and click on done. And now that story is on our highlights right now. You may think that you may not be able to add this to your highlights, but you can by clicking over here on the bottom right corner. It says the highlight button. So let's just click on the highlight button right there and click on ADD. And now you can actually view that on your profile. It's right there. Everybody can view that as well. Not only just your close friends, but as well as everybody who adds you on Instagram. And once the viewer profile highlights so that it's going to be free for you to add some stories without other people seeing that story is also in your highlights, if you get my point. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, this has been How to Web, and we'll see you within the next one.